Hello, I would like to prepare a very special dish for you, which is a feta cheese with sesame seeds and honey. And I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare this feta dish, which is quite unusual because it's a mix of salty and sweet flavor. Feta is a very popular cheese for the Greeks. The most traditional one is a mix between goat and sheep. I have managed to find a very nice feta here in Japan, which I am using today. And we like to do this in Greece a lot. We use feta cheese for the traditional Greek salad, obviously, which is what most people know. We also bake feta in the oven, which we call saga naki. But believe it or not, we also eat feta cheese with watermelon. But today I'm going to make something that I hope you will like very much. So, we need feta, which this is a little bit thick, so I am going to cut it to make it a thinner slice. We don't want it to be too thick. There. We need 2 eggs, flour, and sesame seeds. So, first of all, we're going to beat the eggs. And I'm going to beat the egg. First, the feta will go in the flour, then we will soak it in the egg, and then in the sesame seeds. Have to make sure that it gets well coated from every side. Then it goes in the egg mixture. Again, make sure that it's well coated because the egg tends to slip away. And then it goes in the sesame. Now we're going to cook the feta. We're going to put it on our frying pan. We will coat the frying pan with olive oil. And once the oil warms up nicely, we're going to add the feta. What we want is for the sesame to become nice golden, to gain that nice rich golden color. When the feta cheese is ready, I'm going to sprinkle it with nice honey, Greek honey. And I have put the honey in a little dish. Here it is. You can either warm it in a pot or you can just put it in the microwave for a few seconds. I mean, maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and that is enough. Here we are, it is ready. We put the nice warm honey on top of the feta cheese, which will create a very interesting mix of flavors. And I hope you will try it because it's really easy, it's different, and it's easy to make. Honey.
Thank you very much.
So what did you think of the feta cheese with the sesame and the honey?
Well, I enjoyed it because it's a rather unique taste. It combines the saltiness of the feta and the sweetness of the honey, and it is a great meze, we say in Greece, which is the equivalent word for tapas or starters or appetizers.
Yes.